Hi, welcome to Winter Artland. Today we are going to make small table placement just as the title suggests. So we will roll the rope into a coil shape and we'll keep going on. You can opt for a coaster size if you're not very specific about the size, but I'm going to opt for a little bigger than the coaster size. I'm going to share the whole process with you guys. You can skip if you want, but I will share every single detail of this video. Actually, this is the first time I'm making this placement, so I'm not sure either the glue gun would have been a better choice or the regular white glue. As far as I'm concerned, I think regular white glue is a better option because glue gun is very hot, and if you accidentally touch the glue, you're gonna end up burning your hand. So I think Fevicol or a regular white glue is a much better option. But since I've already started with this, I think it's too late to go back now. So I'm gonna stick to this, and you can see me follow this process and get a first hand idea how this is going to look, how is it to make. I'm sure glue gun and regular Fevicol both have their own, benefit, advantages, if you will, when it comes to sticking this rope in a coil. But let's see, maybe I'll post a video with regular glue. I hope you like the idea. I'm doing this just so you'll know how it will look. Since this look very simple, we are going to make small circles as well. This is the tricky part, I think. The whole other process before was really easy, but this one is slightly hard because you can, shape the rope, but the rope won't really stay in that given shape unless you glue it. So this one is a tricky part. Take your time and do this one. Make sure these small circles look the same in size, and I'm sure it's going to look very cute when it's all done. Usually in my video I don't really speak in English, but since I've seen many of my followers and viewers, they're not particularly from my country, so in order to make it more understandable in other regions, that's why I am making this video in English. If you would like me to go back to Hindi, you can please comment and tell me that you would like for me to continue making videos in Hindi. English is not my first language, so please forgive me if I made any grammatical errors, pronunciations error, anything like that. And I do accept and acknowledge creative criticism, and I would love to have your ideas as well in the comment section, telling me that I could do a little more, like paint this. Lots of people paint this rope placements. I'm saving that for another video, so if you would like to see that, you can tell me. Anyway, we are at the final. So since I glued this on a plastic sheet, the glue gun was like really attached, so I had to cut the plastic along with the rope. I mean, the back side of my placement is plastic. I mean, it's good in a sense, but anyway, this is the final product. I hope you like it. If you really like it, you can try making it at home. This is a much cheaper option and it looks very aesthetic. And thank you for watching. See you in next video.